Hello my YouTube family, welcome to my channel Today's Tech. I am your host SD, so let's start it. Today we will talking about new upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is expected to come with 7.7-inch Super AMOLED foldable screen as well as a triple camera setup on the back, which features a 64-megapixel telephoto camera. These details and more were revealed as several reported specifications surfaced around the Galaxy Fold successors. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 was expected to launch alongside Galaxy Z Flip 5G and Galaxy Note 20 series at the online Galaxy Unpacked 2020 event on August 5. However, a recent report suggested that the launch could be delayed due to software complications. Korean news outlet ET News and Sam Mobile report that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is expected to feature a foldable 7.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a suggested refresh rate 120Hz. The screen would carry ultra-thin glass protections. The external display is expected to be 6.23-inch Super AMOLED screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will reportedly feature a side monitor fingerprint scanner as well. In terms of front camera, the foldable phone is expected to carry a 10-megapixel sensor both on the inside and the outside. On the back, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will feature a triple camera setup. This would include a 64-megapixel telephoto camera, a 12-megapixel sensor with ultra-wide angle lens, and a 12-megapixel primary sensor with a wide-angle lens. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will reportedly be powered by a recent Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It is also reported that it will come with internal storage options of 256GB and 512GB and would support 5G connectivity. The upcoming phone is also expected to carry a dual battery setup with a combined capacity of 4365 mAh and supported 50W fast wireless charging and 50W fast reverse wireless charging. Samsung has not officially confirmed any of the revealed specifications yet. It was expected that the new foldable phone might launch alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and Galaxy Note 20 series at Samsung Online Galaxy Unpacked 2020 event on August 5. However, in another report, Sam Mobile revealed that Galaxy Z Fold 2 will not be launched at the event because the device software is not close to ready. Okay guys, that's all. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.